14th sum. If the line joining 2 points A of 2, 0 and B of 3, 1 is rotated above A in anticlockwise direction through an angle 15 degree, then find the equation of the line in new position. Here the line joining the 2 points 2, 0 and 3, 1. This is the line what we given in the problem there. If we rotate this anti-clockwise direction at an angle 15 degree, from here to here it will. If you rotate this line from here to here, then the equation is in the new position. It will be in this position. This is the new position, that is L2. We want to find the equation of the new positioned line. Okay. So we can have the points what we given in the problem is A of 2, 0 and B of 3, 1. It can be as x1, y1 and x2, y2. So from these two we can find the slope of AB. That's nothing but y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Therefore 1 minus 0 divided by 3 minus 2, which is nothing but 1 by 1 equal to 1. So that slope m equal to 1. M is nothing but tan theta, isn't it? So tan theta equal to 1. For which value we can get 1 here? Tan 45 degree. So that we can have the value is theta is 45 degree. Tan theta equal to 1. In that trigonometrical table, for which value of tan we get 1 for angle 45 degree. So that we got theta equal to 45 degree. We want to find the new position of the slope, isn't it? So m equal to tan of that 45 degree plus 15. That means tan 60 degree. The tan 60 degree value is root 3. Therefore, the value of m is root 3. Now we can get the equation of the new position. Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus 0 equal to root 3 into x minus 2. That's nothing but y equal to x root 3 minus 2 root 3. Take everything to the left hand side. That is root 3x minus y minus 2 root 3 equal to 0. 15th problem. A ray of line coming from the point 1, 2 from this is reflected at a point A. It reflected at this point here on the x-axis and it passes through the point 5, 3. From here it reflects there at the point 5, 3. Find the coordinates of the point A. We want to find the coordinate of A here. From the place of P it came and reflect at the point A through the point 5, 3. We want to find the coordinate of this A. Let me see that the given points of P is 1, 2 and B is 5, 3. Now look at the diagram here. Angle XAB is here. Angle XAB is here. This is the angle. And OAP and here this angle is also theta. We want to take this as theta. The m1 is slope of the x-axis, m2 is slope of AP and m3 is the slope of AB. There are 3 slopes we have there, and here, here and here. Okay. So first take this as XAB. So this I want to take this. For this I want to take the slope. It's nothing but it's in the x-axis itself. So we can have m1 equal to 0 at x-axis itself. So it is 0. So m1 equal to 0. And then m2. m2 is nothing but from the 2 points. The 2 points are there. y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. We can use the 2 minus 0 divided by 1 minus x. That's nothing but 2 by 1 minus x. And then for m3. For this 3 minus 0 by 5 minus x. It's nothing but 3 by 5 minus x. So we want to find the slope, isn't it? So tan theta equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. Therefore, we can have m1 is 0 and m2 is 2. Three by 5 minus x divided by 1 plus 0 into 3 by 5 minus x. So at the numerator we have minus 3 by 5 minus x divided by 1 only. So if we take this modulus, it will become plus only. So we have 3 by 5 minus x here. And then for the second one, for the angle OAP, that is at the tan of minus theta at the left side. That is tan of minus theta equal to m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. Here 0 minus 2 by 1 minus x divided by 1 plus 0 into 2 by 1 minus x. This will get 0. So that the denominator we have only 1. At the numerator minus of 2 by 1 minus x. It will become plus in the modulus values. Therefore, we have tan of minus theta is nothing but tan theta equal to 2 by 1 minus x here. So, tan theta equal to, here that minus tan theta will become, we can take this minus to the other side. So, the tan theta equal to minus 2 by 1 minus x here. So now we got 2 tan values there, equate the both the things here. So 3 by 5 minus x equal to minus 2 by 1 minus x. Cross multiply this. 3 into 1 minus x equal to minus 2 into 5 minus x. Multiply this. So 3 minus 3x equal to minus 10 plus 2x. Therefore, we can get the value of x here as 13 by 5. Therefore, the coordinate of A is 13 by 5, 0. They want to find the coordinate of A only. So, that is nothing but 13.